What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here at J&A Motorsports and Trucking. So today, hey, how you doing? Today, what we got going on is this KW cover. Been having it for a couple months now. Been needing to put it on, but it ain't really been cold up until recently. So we're just gonna get that cover put on here. Show you what we're working with. So right here are these little buttons and these little self-tapping Phillips head screws. All right, and how that works is you got these little buttons all the way around, and so let me flip this around here. So these here snap into these, obviously, and those little Phillips heads go down in the middle of this thing. So what me and the wife did was we took some toothpaste and we marked the ones we thought were more important, because I feel like once we drill these in and mount the two there, snap in, it'll hold it. Then we're able to stretch the corners out. And we already did our measurements. And each corner, like here, you got a little triangle. We got about the same space. So we're just gonna get the center of those two spots we marked with toothpaste drilled, or we're gonna get that self-tapper screwed in there and then mount the cover. All right, guys, there it is. What was it, babe? About 20 minutes? Yep, about 15-20 minute install, if that. Definitely gave it a cool look. And the purpose for this, guys, is my truck in the wintertime, it tends to run extremely cold. Your heat might act funny and some more stuff. And I learned years ago, shout out to my cousin, Bebe. Appreciate you, boy, for the things you taught me. I had an old truck, International, and it was wintertime. It was running really cold. My heat wasn't blowing warm heat at all. And he told me to shove a piece of cardboard behind the grill there with some zip ties, and I did it. It worked. And this here is just a little fancier way of doing it. Looks good. My wife picked it up for how much, baby? About $100. $100 online. Custom made it. Did it the color of our boy Max. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Definitely worth the investment.